Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a HIIT workout. I've got 10 exercises picked out for us, no equipment needed. We're just going to be using our body weight. We're going to be doing each exercise for 1 minute, no repetitions. Thank you, Jesus. Before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. Let's get into the workout. All right, guys, starting off with a quick warm-up. We're going to be doing some jumping jacks. Breathe, open your chest, bring your arms up above the tippy top of your head and lower them back down. 1 minute here. We're not taking any breaks today. Like, there's no breaks. 10 exercises back to back. We are pushing ourselves. It's going to be a sweaty one.
Giving up, letting go, times we might feel compelled, looking down from the heights that we have built all by ourselves. And there is fear of the unknown, but we cannot lose control when we feel like the world is against us. Do we go is a question to ask. There are so many choices that it's hard not to look past. What is real and what is fake, and the risk we take.
Moving into standing oblique crunches. I love this exercise, you guys. I do this at home when I'm working. I'll be standing there working, and then I'll just start busting out some of these crunches. So bring your hands behind your head, bring your knee up to your opposite elbow, and really crunch those obliques. Kick that knee up as high as you can.
You and me, we both live life at full speed, easy to see. When we collide, no one walks away easy. I never thought you'd be the one. I never meant to take your heart. I never felt so hard. I never meant to be the one. I never thought I'd break your heart. And after the stars have crumbled to dust, we still feel the warmth burning in us, burning in us. It hurts so bad, but it doesn't.
Next, we're gonna be doing some side-to-side skates. These make me feel like I'm rollerblading or roller skating in the rink. It feels so good, and it also feels a little bit uncomfortable because you don't have that smooth motion as if you would have if you had some skates on. But go ahead and just skate from side to side. Kick your opposite foot behind the one that's planted on the ground, and don't let it hit the ground. You want to keep it just hovering there.
And after the stars.
We've got some side lunges here, so go ahead and bring your legs all the way, like sumo squat, but more, and we're going to lean from side to side. I like to tuck my hands up underneath my chin. I don't know, it's just more comfortable for me. You can put your hands out all the way, you can put your hands on your hips, whatever is more comfortable, but we're going to side lunge here.
I've been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I've never got no regret. The hours I've been putting chance on faith, so take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance. Take a chance on faith.
All right, these next ones are going to be tough. So we've got jump squats. These are supposed to be consistent. If you have to take a little break, I totally get you. 1 minute here for the jump squats. Really push yourself. Jump up as high as you can. You're going to lose momentum as you get into 45 seconds, 1 minute, but really push yourself in the beginning and kind of burn yourself out here.
Take a chance on faith. It's too late now. It's something I never wanna say. I stand my ground. I need to be who I'm meant to be. Yeah, I don't see it any other way. No.
All right, stand up nice and tall. We're going to do some standing toe taps. So kick your leg out in front of you and tap that toe with the opposite arm. And this is a great exercise for your stomach, you guys. Abs on fire. Also, it's a great exercise for your legs because you're kicking up like that. And honestly, I ate not too long before I did this workout, and I almost like threw up after this workout. I don't know if you guys could tell in my face, but I was like, oh no.
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me. Every day I feel time slipping, passing, skipping by. All the words I could say just can't really seem to stay.
Mountain climbers are next. So with these mountain climbers though, we're going to be doing mountain climbers, kicking up twice quickly and then moving from side to side. So opposite knee to opposite elbow. So 2 in the center, opposite knee to opposite elbow right, opposite knee to opposite elbow left. You guys can see the motion here on the screen. Just do it with speed, okay guys? This is a great exercise for your inner abs, upper abs, lower abs, and your side abs because we're doing those little twists and that kick to the side. If you want to take it up a notch and you're more advanced, go ahead and extend that leg out when you do the twist, crunch, extend the leg out. Next up, we have rotating crunches. So for this exercise, you're going to need your yoga mat. Go ahead and grab that. We're going to do hands behind the head, bring in opposite knee to opposite elbow. This is a speed crunch, so go ahead and go quickly.
Every time I divide all the fractions of my mind, take away all the pain, give myself another day. Give myself another day. Every day I decide if we'll ever see the sign. I ignored all the lines showing me eternal light. Showing me eternal light.
From here, go ahead and lean back. You're going to let your legs out all the way flat. Arms are behind the head, and we're going to take opposite hand to opposite toe. We're doing 30 seconds on each side here just because I really felt like I was going to throw up doing this exercise, and I couldn't do a minute on each side. And last but not least, this is a bonus exercise. We're doing some up and down planks. So you can do this with or without a yoga mat. It's totally up to you, but we're going to come down in the plank position, bring your arms up into an extended motion, and then lower yourself back down. Great for the shoulders, great for the biceps and triceps. This is our last exercise. All right, you guys, great job today. I hope you're nice and sweaty. I know I am. About to puke. Oh, don't forget, you guys, the May calendar is available in the description box down below. Don't forget to grab it there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.